Hello friends, I hope you're doing quite well. Today I have some business card templates. These are in APS file and PSD file. Here is business card template in 4 color: blue, green, orange and red. First blue, and you adjust your image here. Johnson Smith graphic designer, so you can edit it. And this is a back side. Same here, design, just color is red are changed. Here is APS file and blue, red, green and yellow. Design is here. Front side, creative, you can replace your image here and write your own details. Third is photography business card. Here is 3 different color: blue, orange and red. So you can insert your image here. Basically this this business card for photography, Johnson Smith. So I drag this file on Photoshop. These are CMYK color die cut. You can use for print, or you can convert in CMYK color, RGB color. Image here, double click and we need image. Create new layer, first layer, delete it, open, for example, open this file and drag there. I think these are high definition file. Okay, Control S, saving 76. No. So I adjust this. Enter, Control S, move there. Wow. Okay. These are shape. You can change color. Opacity is 14, or depend your own self. You can edit it. And here is one by one you will put your own image. For example, double click here, we need the image. For example, like this, I convert to low resolution, for example 800. We need I'll tell you, for example, and you see your image insert here. Second is here, Control S, and you see there your image are in real, I don't know what for this. So change color, write your own text, double click, or apply gradient overlay. So here is front, and back is telephone number, email address and website. Here is location, and your image is here, your technician, photographer or graphic designer. Same are red here, and red file open. Replace your image here. Simply import your image and change background color like this. These are CMYK color, and here color is going to red or blood. Your image here, put your image and like this, convert in 500, Control S, and you see there your image in card. Write your any text. Okay. Back side is simple, just put your website, and here is APS file, this file for requested, and this time I open Adobe Photoshop, so I drag Photoshop just for see. You change color, RGB. Okay, just you can see this resolution is 72, then here is 300. Okay, and you see you can replace your image and create your title, type your title and your tagline here. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care, Allah Hafiz.